Hello and welcome to TechFull. Today I went to my local recycling center and I found this hopefully beauty. This is an IBM Model M. It was produced in 1990. There's the date. And it is 27 years old. I have not tested it or done anything with it. It looks pretty dirty, and I think that today I will be disassembling it and cleaning it, and hopefully it will work. Thank you for watching. What I'm planning on doing is taking all of the keycaps off, cleaning them, and then cleaning the board, like where there's the grungy stuff and probably under the keycaps. And then I will disassemble the back part, take the back panel off, clean the circuit board, and clean everything that I can, and then hopefully it will work. Now I have all of the keycaps and other keycap things off, and you can see that it's very dirty down there, and I will be next what I will do is I will look and get a 5.5 millimeter thing that undoes those screws. Then I'll take it off and clean the outer part and then clean this part, and yep, let's do that. I have the keyboard disassembled now. You can see internals and how that board is very dirty. You can see this and this. This is the rest of the keyboard, and it still has the bottom plate, but that should be fine. So I think that these don't need cleaning, but the top caps that have been touched by hands a lot definitely need to be cleaned. So yeah, I'm gonna cut to that. I have the keycaps in a bowl filled with warm soapy water, and now I'm just going to mix them around, and then I'm going to take them out and clean them individually with a napkin. So yep, I might do a time lapse of that. I have the keyboard here now, and I've got a bottle of either 99 or 100% isopropyl alcohol. So I'm going to use paper towels and wipe down the outside and then the inside and get it all clean. I've cleaned some of the keyboard. I didn't clean it very well. I just got most of the dog hair in the larger chunks of whatever that brown stuff is off. It's looking somewhat better. It's not super clean, but this is just to see if it works. But now I'm going to put these under keys back on, and then I'll put the normal keys back on, and then I'll see if it works. And I might try a different computer because I think that this might not be the right thing. The USB adapter might not be working, so I'm going to try with the older computer. It has been an extremely long time since I filmed those previous clips, but I'm just getting around to editing this video. But I guess this is the conclusion. In the end, it does work, except the W key, it registers it even when it's not clicked down, and a few of the other keys are very slow. But somehow the spacebar lost the clickiness. I don't know what actually makes it go click, but in the cleaning it lost its clickiness. So it's a collector's item that doesn't really work, but if you want it for collecting, I'll probably just end up bringing it back to the recycling center. But it was a very fun experience, and I learned a lot from it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.